Okay, guys, I just saw the news in Venezuela, and this is real. It just is really here, there. Okay, I'm back again. Like I was saying, news in Venezuela are not good, guys. Are not good. I was just checking right now. So you can see that this is the red thing is the P wave. You can see it is already reaching the end of Brazil. So he went through Brazil and everything. And let's see here. In United States, and is running. It's going around the globe. See, it's going around the globe. So I don't know. You can see here is 7.1, right? 7.1, and look, this is the magnitude here, guys. Look at this. Very strong. This strong shake. And wow. What else? Let's see if I can find something more here for us to see it. And still, you see the red thing going. And it's causing several earthquakes already. You see all these little things here? Those are secondary temblors. Look, you see? That wave is already causing a 2.3 British Columbia in Canada, already reached Canada. It reached Canada already. 7.1 right there. This is what they're saying. Man, I'm okay. And look, it's coming. It's approaching California. Let's see. Not California. That is, it's the Canada. See, showing the destruction wave. Going to look at that. Look at that Canada. It's already pushing there. Man, this is something. Halfway. See? Look at the P wave is getting closer and closer. I call P wave, guys. I don't know how you call that. For me, that is the second wave, the destruction wave. The first wave is the P wave, right? So, I'm sorry. Look at that. Just going through that wave right now. And it's... See, the map is unbelievable. It's showing all the details. This is amazing. Okay. And look. See that? Yes. Wow. Look at that. 7, 7, 7, 7. And it's not showing up there yet in the list. They're waiting maybe for the... Look at this. This is all the affected areas. They felt as at 7.2, guys. Wow. Anyway. Okay. Wow. 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 Wow, this is something. I just found that about this site today. And I go, let me go and check. We were looking some of the quakes, right? And we saw this big one. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope everybody is safe in Venezuela. But for what we saw here, guys, this is major. This is really big. I think it was more than one because really went to 7.6, right? 7.6, and it went down to 7.2, right? So yeah, I think it was more than one quake. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Well, I'm going to check online, guys. For sure, we are going to see destruction on this one. So sorry. I'm feeling really bad.